Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. Instagram app open but any backup. Instagram app has been crashing problems. Instagram iPhones has been open, the issues has been backup but any problem. The solution update this video to watching and properly the step by step the resolve the issue starting now. First of all, the main important has been first step the Play Store, iPhone, Android, same processings and updated complete. The Instagram search bar. The Instagram has been updated, the completed. Short update completed. Two step. The Instagram has been selected. The app settings and iPhones. The press the app Instagram. The app's information the selected and the permission selected and location has been all access. Location has been all access relation and second step the backup has been stored and cached the claims properly the story and cache the claims. Second has been imported and internet connection the checkings internet connection the properly the reset Wi-Fi and router completed reset now. The status updated the checkings has been yellow line has been issues has been crashing problems and app extruder open the officially the Instagram's support team has been share error problem officially the team problem the resolving update. Thank for watching this video.